Hey yo viewers, and welcome to the Chattahoochee Nature Center in Roswell, Georgia. A little bit outside of the ATL. It's about 6:05 in the AM. I'm tired. I'm about 5 hours of sleep, but I'm tired still. It's a 10K for the Possum Trot 10K. Haven't run a 10K since Springtime Surprise. Frankly, I haven't run since Springtime Surprise, so we'll see how this goes. This is one of Linz's ideas to go run this, so here we are in mid-June of the year of our Lord 2023. Let's run this 10K in this naturey thing. Alright, here we go. As you see on your screen, we've started our nature walk.
We're running a race, extracurricular. No one's making us, not even Dopey Trim.
Yeah, we don't know what the course is. We've never done this race before.
I just googled Atlanta race during the weekend. I knew we'd be here. And it said it's a possum trot.
Yeah, I don't know if there are any possums or trotting.
This does not look like a PR and fun crowd, I must say.
No, it's quite possibly I can be the last finisher in this race.
I think it'll be me. You'll be second to last.
No, we'll see. You exercise more than I do.
Well, that's also true.
Yeah.
You're the most innately athletic.
I don't know. We'll see.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Are you GoProing this?
He is, yeah.
Are you gonna hold it the whole time?
Oh, I've run marathons with these before.
But still, it's hard.
Oh, look at this little pavilion. It's like the little. Justin, is this like a fish show?
Oh yeah, they're gonna fueling update. It's fueling update. Mr. Oxen Spoon, how did you fuel for this race last night?
I had a pizza blanket at Truist Park. I don't think I took a picture of it because it was a pizza blanket. And it's a large slice of pizza. I don't know. Got a couple more games I'm gonna watch this weekend. May get it again. It's probably the best pizza I've had in a ballpark. It's really good.
I had pork nachos at the end of the game. I missed the end of the game because I was getting pork nachos, but they were delicious. But I think I started eating them at about
9:45.
9:45 because I hadn't eaten since lunch at Marietta Diner, which was delightful as always. And I wasn't hungry, and then all of a sudden I was hungry. So I had pork nachos, and here we are at 6:15 in the morning, 6:17. I apologize. I'm not fueling because I think I still have fuel in my tummy. Pork nacho fuel.
Abe Lincoln, were you born in Georgia? It's about a 15-minute walk to the start line. You know what I call that, guys?
What do you call it? Mr. Spoon?
Let's call it Marathon Weekend.
Beautiful.
It's very nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Last place I was where it kind of looked like this. Totally different climates. It was Maui.
Actually, yeah, super green trees.
Yeah, it's a little cool. It's nice for June. The guy with the hair up there, he's in my Peachtree 2020? 2020? No, 2021? Don't know who he is, but I just recognized him. There's no 3, 2, 1. It was just a gun.
y'all keep passing me and then raising your hand like you're celebrating.
And when I slow down and goes up for all to see, I wanna make my actions visible to you.
A little bit past mile 3. Sun's in the back. It's still humming. About halfway to go. I'm moist. It's hot. Sun. It's fine when you walk, but some sweaty people here. Finishers are walking back to their car. We got like a little less than 2 miles to go though. Sorry, Kunkel. Hill, 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 hill. It seems as if we're gonna pass the finish line before we actually finish. With like a mile to go, so it's kind of mean.
Almost gonna PR, and then I realized I'd have to work really hard to make that happen.
Yeah, nah.
So I'm gonna PR in fun instead.
Yeah, just like this shirt, which you can get at gift.oxenspoon.com.
It's true.
Yeah.
All of your donations go to Kelsey's Hope Foundation.
That's right. Now here's people who come up and urge us that we can do it. So I'm proving today that I can roll out of bed and finish the 10K, I think. Get my nature on, even though the race is not done yet. Hill 5. Hill, 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 hill. Yeah. That's mean we have to go down this hill and then go back up the hill. Oh, they can't make us turn around on the hill? So the biggest hill of the race. Make us go up the hill, like down the hill, and then turn around and do it again.
The last half mile
Yeah.
of the race.
Yeah.
The last, well, 3/4 mile.
Not nice. Not very nature of
Not very
them.
nice.
Yeah. I might litter later. I'm not just kidding.
Don't mess with Georgia.
Yeah. What is Georgia's?
Don't throw trash on us.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Something. It's not as memorable as Don't Mess with
That's
Texas.
Texas, which is about litter, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. What's the feeling? The song of George Harrison has rung true at this point in time. Shining downward. Let's make this run again. Almost done though.
Congrats.
Thank you. Yeah, that's one of the coolest medals. Look at
That's
that.
awesome.
Awesome possum.
Awesome. It is an awesome possum.
Yeah. I had that video game for Sega Genesis back in the 90s. Possum. It wasn't a good game.
They said they were going to reopen the roads after an hour and 30 minutes. Made it in an hour and 29. Oh, something. That was my goal. Not bad.
Yeah, it's hot.
Before dopey training officially starts.
That's nice. I like that shirt. Very cool. Very cool.
This is great.
Yeah, it's a great
I love
shirt.
this shirt.
Yeah.
I like this better than my Peachtree shirt.
It's better than last year's
Better
Peachtree
than
shirt.
last year. This is swell.
Yeah.
Guys, Possum Trot, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's
We
good.
went in the Georgia humidity, but that's what I expected.
Yeah, it is June, summer in Georgia.
It was a beautiful course. I was 100% on my way to a PR until about mile 4 when I was like, I don't know if I want to do this.
Breaking news.
What?
My watch just now asked if I was working out, so I think that's a little better.
That's a great sign. Good job. So,
For the next
yeah.
Possum Trot. Thank you so much for coming.
It's been going on. We learned a little history. I don't know if you talked about the history. It's been going on for 45 years. Back when the Chattahoochee Nature Center opened, they needed money to make payroll, so they started doing a 10K. And now, here we are.
Yeah, it's
Got a
cool.
new shirt. I liked it.
It's a lot easier to get to than Peachtree.
Oh my word! And it's beautiful. I mean, Peachtree was beautiful too.
Yeah,
but
Peachtree's cool. Yeah, Peachtree's an institution. It's a natural institution.
there was like a moment I looked over at the lake. I'm like, that is like a glassy lake with like the perfect undisturbed reflection in the lake. It was beautiful.
So, Peachtree people, if you watch these videos, you probably don't, but you know, also Atlanta Braves. If you're not in town during July 4th in 2024, I may come back and do the Possum Trot.
Because we gotta,
If the Braves are at home also.
yeah, at least once a year, we have to come see the Braves
Yeah.
at their home park. You gotta see Blooper.
Yeah, I gotta see Bloops.
Blooper's our favorite. All right, well, what do you have to say at the end of this 10K?
You know, it's very good. It's very hot and humid, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Nice running in June in Georgia. So very nice environs and you know, PRing and fun. I PR'd this race because it's the first time I ran it. Oh, and one more thing before we go. It's I ran 6.2 miles in June, but it does not count. I repeat, it does not count toward my training miles. For those of you playing the home game, those of you that have donated to make me run training miles in June, does not count. So far as of this recording, I have 10 miles to train in June. If you want to contribute to July, give.oxenspoon.com, because mostly truly, probably not going to run unless I'm motivated to do so, because I got out of bed today, or actually just woke up, alarm. Kind of didn't want to come here today, but you know, glad we did. Yeah, so.
Go wipe the sweat off my face in the bathroom.
Okay, well good.
Which is English for banyo, y'all.
Yeah, so I'm going to throw it to 3 people that are dressed alike, like me. All right, thank you.
Like,
subscribe, and tell your mom about this.